everyone, welcome to my channel Ghar Se Gurukul. In Ghar Se Gurukul, our today's topic is multiplication word stories. As we have already done introduction to multiplication and simple problems of multiplication, it's time to do some word stories. Our first word problem is our school has 12 rooms and there are 42 children in each room. How many children are there in all? Now, first let's write them under ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, now we have to write the statements because these are word stories. So, our first statement will be number of children in each room, because here we have 12 sets of 42 children. We have written number of children in each room, and number of children in each room are 42, wherein 2 is at ones place and 4 is at tens place. Next statement will be number of rooms or number of total rooms, because we have 12 rooms, so 12, 2 at ones place and 1 at tens place. Okay, the number of sets we always write at second place, at second number. Now, sign of multiplication, as we always do, we always start from one side. So in one side we have 2 and 2. So first I will multiply 2 and 2. So 2 2's are 4. Next this 2 4's are 2 4's are 10. Okay. So this first number is done. We have multiplied this 2 with both these numbers. This is done. So 42 2's are 84. This is done. Now let's move on to the second number. We have tens at tens place, we have 1 here. Now, first what we will do, because see, 1 is at tens place, so here this 1 is not just 1, it is 1 tens. And when we have a number at tens place, it always has a 0 with it. So, this is not just 1, this is 10. So, when I multiply 10 with 2, or we can say, when we multiply any number that is at tens place, we will always keep a 0 here, because this is at tens place and 10 has 1 0. So we will already put a 0 here, right? Now we will simply multiply this 1 with rest of the numbers. 1 2's are 2 and 1 4's are 4. Okay, now all the numbers are done. Now it's time to add the multiplication. Here at ones place we have 4 and 0. 4 and 0's are 4, because when we add any number with 0, the answer is the same number itself. 4 plus 0 is 4. At tens place we have 8 and 2. 8 and 2, 8, 9 and 10. Again in 10 we have 0 here, and 10 will be a carryover at hundreds place. So here and at hundreds place we have 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So number of children in all rooms is 504, or we can say number of children in 12 rooms is 504. Next problem question. There are 165 cards in one box. How many cards will be there in 9 such boxes? Again, we have written the place values here. Now, first statement will be number of cards in one box. Number of cards in one box are 165. 165 wherein 5 is at ones place, 6 is at tens place, and this one is at hundreds place. And how many total boxes are here? There are 9 such boxes. So second statement will be number of boxes. Number of boxes are 9. Sign of multiplication. Now let's start multiplying the question. 9 5s are. We have to multiply, we have to read the table of 9 till 5th place. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45. 5 is at 1's place and this 4 will go as a carryover at 10's place. Now 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus this 4, it's 58, wherein 8 will come here and 5 will go as a carryover at 100's place. Now let's multiply this 9 with 1. 9 1s are 9 and this 5, 9 plus 5 is 14. So in 14, 4 will come at 100's place and 1 will go as a carryover at 1000's place. So number of pencils in 9 boxes are 1485. Let's take one more problem question. Riya has 20 pencils in her pencil box and cost of one pencil is 15 rupees. What is the cost of all pencils Riya has? Now, first statement will be number of pencils in Riya's pencil box. How many pencils are there? There are 20 pencils. 20. Now, cost of one pencil is rupees 15. So, cost of one pencil rupees 15. Sign of multiplication. Now, let's multiply. First, we will multiply the numbers at 1's place. So, 5 zeros are 0 because if we multiply any number with 0, the answer is always 0. Now 5 2s are 10. In this 10, 0 will come in 10's place and 1 will go at 100's place. Now again, it's time to multiply 20 with this 1. But this 1 is at 10's place. So we'll already place a 0 here. Okay. Now 1 zeros are 0 and 1 2s are 2. Right? Now let's add this. 0 plus 0 is always 0. Again a 0 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So cost of all pencils Riya has are 300. So I think with this the concept of multiplication word stories is clear to you. Thank you so much. That's all from Garga Gurukul today.